Assalamualaikum everyone. Today I'll show you how to restore files from the recycle bin in Windows. If you are new to Mr. TechFox, make sure to subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Let's jump in. First, double click on the recycle icon on your desktop to open it. Once inside, you will see a list of files and folders you have deleted. To restore a file, simply in the list, right click on it and select Restore. The file will move back to its original location before it was deleted. Remember, if you want to restore multiple files, you can hold Ctrl while clicking each. Then right-click and choose Restore. I'm gonna restore all of these files. And now I'm clicking on Restore. That's it. Your files are now restored from the recycle bin. If this was helpful, drop a like and don't forget to subscribe to Mr. TechFox for more quick tech tips. See you next time.